Here's how to create an Ideogram account. Go to ideogram.ai. You can find the link in the video description. To create your account, click Sign Up with Google. Then check this box to agree with the terms of service and privacy policy, and click Continue. Now, enter your username and then click Complete Registration. Congratulations! Now you know how to create an Ideogram account. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. For more useful Ideogram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Ideogram tutorials. I'll see you there.